Hi guys, welcome back again to JN Electric YouTube channel. The type of Accuphase A-30 amplifier is the most widely used by people around the world before. The peak power meter display still use analog that use a permanent magnet moving coil system which requires a DC voltage instead of AC. This amplifier has the following specification. Continuous average output power 20 until 20 kHz stereo operation, 30 watt per channel into 8 ohm. 30 watt is working in class A. This Accuphase A-30 is no longer produced, or it can be said that the goods are discontinued. From the left and right side, the color of the disc box is normal and nothing special. The position of the main switch is at the front of the center of this amplifier. I wonder why it has to be placed in the middle. I prefer to place the power switch on the front left or the right. The position of the main switch is at the front of the center of this amplifier. I wonder why it has to be placed in the middle. I prefer to place the power switch on the front left or right. There are 4 terminals from the output to be connected to the loudspeaker. Each of switch consists of plus, minus, and minus. Incorrect installation can cause the bass sound will be reduced, and this does not apply to tweeter. The system on this amplifier power supply has a capacitor capacity of 47,000 microfarad. The capacity of the power transformer used is 400 VA. Pure Class A power amplifier using power MOS-FET device, fully balanced signal path as found in the high-quality instrumentation amplifier, further refined MCS plus topology and the current feedback design result even better. Signal per noise ratio, distortion, and other performance parameter. Robust power supply and power MOSFET device in the triple parallel push-pull configuration, sustain and amazing per channel into ultra-low 1 ohm impedance loudspeaker. The pure Class A operation delivery quality power 30 watts. Current feedback combination operation stability with outstanding sound bridge mode allow the upgrading to true monophonic amplifier, massive transformer, and others. And finally, thank you for watching. See you next time.